Hey, how's it going? Just a quick video to show you how to add subtitles to the videos that you produce on LinkedIn. It's pretty simple if you use YouTube, and let me show you how to do that real quick. So if you upload your file first to YouTube, and then you'll notice in the Studio Creator, there's this subtitles CC, and that's where you click on that. And then after like a minute or so after you upload your video file, you'll see published English automatic if it's English. And then if you click on that, you could then download by actions the SRT file. And that's what's needed when you upload the file to LinkedIn. So if we go to LinkedIn and we want to publish the video, click on video and downloads. There is the video I want to upload. And then there's this pencil icon that will appear right there. So click on the pencil icon, and that's when you select the SRT file. And there it is. And then save. Hope that's helpful.